So this is Euro pound analysis for Wednesday, the 11th of July. Now let's just have a look at different prices and the way prices may likely go. So previously we had prices reject the 88.74 on a test. Had sell side momentum to take us through the 88.51 for a test of the 88.20, from which we found support, pretty much a perfect test of the 88.20 for a move back up towards 88.51. We've seen a subsequent breakdown towards our 88.30, retest of the 88.51, had a rejection. So we've not seen that follow through to the downside as yet. So if we do see sell side momentum return to the market from this 88.51, we're looking for a test of the 88.20 with data confluence of the 400 period moving average. There's also increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that 88.20. Failure to hold support at 88.20, however, could potentially see us head down towards that 87.95. Successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards that 87.83. And if there is sufficient volatility in the market, 87.50 may just come into focus here on the euro against the pound. Now, if we do see that break of the, if we do see the break and hold of 88.51, we're then looking for prices to retest this area from which we previously encountered resistance in around 88.74. And if we do successfully navigate the 88.74.89, our previous high here in the market, beyond which we're looking for a move up towards our 89.14 on the euro pound. And finally, we'll have a look at the daily chart on the euro pound. And here on the daily chart of the euro pound, we can see here, despite having the pullbacks from this 88.74, we continue our upwards trajectory on the euro against the pound. We've had a bit of a pullback after having that retest of the 88.74. Now in around that 88.20, not only do we have the 400 period moving average on the hourly chart, we also have the 200 period moving average here on the daily chart, thus increasing the likelihood of seeing a greater degree, we might see a bullish bounce in around that 88.20 and a move to the upside here, but failure there could potentially see us head down to below the actually even below the 87.50. Actually, we might head in towards that 87.30s, 87.20s if we do see a failure and see a subsequent breakdown in prices to the downside on the euro against a pound. But with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.